having for clear skin. It's one of my favorite time of the day. Lunch hour. 짜잔. Oh yeah. I got delicious Korean rice cake, chicken, and delicious vegetable stir fry here with a bunch of anti-inflammatory seasoning to calm my skin down and nourish my skin. And I have a couple of pieces of apples, and I have delicious 𝘾𝙊𝘾𝙃𝙄, line cut wild 𝘾𝙊𝘾𝙃 with some green mango and onions and cucumbers, super delish. And some anti-inflammatory tea that I drink to calm my skin down and nourish it, also hydrating. Check out 𝘾𝙊𝙍𝙏 for more information.